The roadrunner is a long-legged bird in the cuckoo family. There are two types of roadrunners. The greater roadrunner lives in the southwestern United States and Mexico, and the lesser roadrunner lives in Central America and Mexico. Roadrunners are found in deserts, brush, and grasslands on the ground, and they can be found sitting on low perches like fences. Roadrunners are omnivores. They eat insects, lizards, rodents, spiders, and prickly pear fruits. Roadrunners can run at speeds up to 15 miles per hour, but they can also run up to 26 miles per hour. To warm themselves during the day, roadrunners expose dark patches of skin on its back to the sun. They sunbathe to warm up after a cold night in the desert. Roadrunners can live for 7 to 8 years. The roadrunner is the state bird of New Mexico, appeared as a mascot at high schools and a mascot of a hockey team, and appeared as a famous cartoon character. The roadrunner is a magnificent bird, and they are one of God's amazing animals.